Talofa lava, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful Sabbath. It is about 4:30 in the morning here today, and I'm going to practice my lessons of reading Samoan. First, I'm going to read from the English version Holy Bible, and then I will attempt to try to read from the Ole TUSI PAIA. All right, here we go. So first, we'll be reading from the English version. This is the King James Version. It is an illustrated version, as you can see, quite pretty. We got it for a family heirloom back in 2000. So today we are reading from the book of John, chapter 3, verse 16. It is quite a popular passage. I don't know if you can see it that well, but I will try to focus on it for you. It says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life." Amen. Now I will try to read from the TUSI PAIA, the book of Ione, book Tolu, so Tolu, and then let me look for it. There we go. Se Fulu Ono. Aua ua fa'apea lava ono, alofa mai, ole atua, ile lalolangi, ua iau mai ai, Iona, Talii e Tuatasi. Ina ia le fano se tasi I fa'atuatua I te ia a ia maua e ia lo ola e fa'avavau. Amini. So hopefully that wasn't too hard for you to see, but I'm sure most of you know the words already. I hope I did good on that. Let me know what I'm mispronouncing or what I'm not punctuating well enough. That's my lesson too. Thanks so much for joining me. God bless. Alofa atua. And we'll see you next time. Peace.